just a guess, right? But it's reasonable. You can make the argument that there aren't any other worlds where this happened, certainly in our galaxy. So it could be that this planet, notwithstanding its physical insignificance, is the only place where anything thinks, right? For millions of light years in every direction. And suddenly, therefore, you end up considering this planet as being the most valuable place in the local universe, notwithstanding the fact that it's small. And that idea, it's not just a complete random guess, by the way. We've had a bit of a look. Astronomers have pointed radio telescopes up at the stars for a while, 50 years or more now, and heard nothing. We've seen no evidence of any civilizations out there beyond Earth, and that's a surprise. There's a reasonably plausible explanation for that, which is biology, which is that if you look at the history of life on Earth, then you see that life began pretty much as soon as it could here on Earth. We have evidence there was life 3.8 billion years ago, something like that. And the Earth's 4.5 billion years old, so pretty quick in geological time you get life. But then if you talk about advanced life, complex life, multicellular life, then there's no evidence at all back beyond a billion years. Actually, really, in the fossil record, 650 million years ago or something, you start seeing the first evidence of complex creatures. So that means that on this planet, it took over 3 billion years to go from single cell life to anything more complex than a single cell. And then another 500 million years or so to go from the multicellular things to a civilization. So it's 3.5 to 4 billion years. It's a third of the age of the universe. That is a really long time. If you say that's an unbroken chain of life on a little piece of rock in a violent universe, and that chain was not cut for 4 billion years in order to get us. And that might be a big ask, right? We live in a really violent universe.